Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a highlight on Instagram. Let's get started. Well, first open up your Instagram app and go to your profile. And if you don't have any existing highlight yet, you may create a highlight by clicking at the plus sign icon at the top right of your screen, and then select Story Highlight. Then select the story that you want to add to your highlight. As for my case, I only have one, so I'm adding this one. And then just name your highlight as you want. And once you're done, click Add at the top right corner of your screen. And when you go back to your profile, you'll see the highlight just above your posts. So if you already have an existing highlight, you may create a new one by simply clicking at the plus icon at the right of your highlights, and then just repeat the process. And that's how you can create the highlight in Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!